Welcome to Preparing for the ACE Exam Module 3, where we'll go over planning and configuring cloud solutions. In this module, we'll cover Section 2 of the official ACE Exam Study Guide. Our first section concerns using Google Cloud's online pricing calculator. One of the first stages in setting up a new project is budgeting. Because multiple variables can go into pricing a particular cloud product, having a way to pull all of that information together into a unified report without having to actually configure that product first is very helpful. This is where Google's pricing calculator is useful. The pricing calculator is a multi-section form. When you have some possible configurations, you can use it to estimate costs for the different products you'll be using. The pricing calculator gives a total estimated cost that you can view in daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, and 3-year increments. The cost is only an estimate, however. Total costs may differ depending on how closely your estimated usage matches your actual usage. The estimate is also not a binding contract, it's just a planning tool. Let's look at how the planning calculator works.